Out in the wild, having tools and weapons can mean the difference between survival and struggle. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to create simple tools and weapons using only natural materials. Start with sharp tools. Find hard stones and break them to create sharp edges. These can be used as knives for cutting or scraping. For hunting or defense, sharpen the end of a sturdy stick into a point. Use fire to harden the tip for added durability. Vines and plant fibers can be twisted into ropes. Use them to tie tools together or as traps for hunting. A flexible branch and strong rope make a simple bow. For arrows, sharpen straight sticks and attach stone or bone tips. From knives to bows, nature has everything you need to create tools for survival. Practice these skills to stay prepared. Like and subscribe for more survival tips on survival mode.